In this short video, I'm going to teach you what SpeedFeeder actually is and how it works. Now, SpeedFeeder is basically a three-stage 2x2 follow me forced matrix system. And I know that sounds like a mouthful, so let me break that down for you a little bit and help you understand that better. A 2x2 matrix is simply a small two-level matrix. It's 2 wide, 2 levels deep. And then the three-stage part means that there are 3 stages. Each stage has a 2x2 matrix that needs to be filled. Okay. The forced matrix part means that because there are a limited number of positions on each level, your first level only has 2 positions. If anybody sponsors more than 2 people, then the extra people spill over. That's where that term spillover comes from, down into the first empty position, filling evenly from top to bottom, left to right. Okay, that's why having a forced matrix is actually a really good thing. Okay, the follow me part, that simply means that everybody follows your sponsor. Okay, now everyone has 2 positions on the first level. I mentioned that already. The 2x2 matrix is a very small matrix. There's only 2 levels deep. There are only 6 positions to fill to complete one stage or one matrix. Okay, SpeedFeeder is only $100 one-time cost. There are no monthly fees whatsoever. All you need to do is sponsor 2 people and then help them sponsor 2 people, and you can turn $100 into $5,850 over and over again. And here's a diagram of what a 2x2 matrix looks like in case you're not familiar with this. Okay, that gold circle at the top would be you. The next 2 circles below that would be your level 1, and then the 4 circles under that would be your level 2. So if you look at it like this, you join SpeedFeeder, you refer 2 people to SpeedFeeder, that fills those first 2 rust-colored looking circles, and that fills your first level. Okay, you only have 2 positions on your first level. Now let's say those 2 people that you bring in are John and Mary. Okay, John on the left and Mary on the right. John, as you can see, also has 2 positions on his first level. Okay, Mary has 2 positions on her first level. That makes up 4 positions on your second level. So as soon as either John or Mary brings in their 2, or you bring in more than your 2 and end up filling that second level, whichever way that works or combination thereof, that will fill your matrix and you complete that stage. Okay, here's a diagram of what all 3 stages look like. So as you can see, it's basically the same thing. It's a 2x2 matrix going into another 2x2 matrix into another 2x2 matrix. Okay, so stage 1 up in the left top area, you can see you there at the top again. As soon as you fill that matrix, then you will complete stage 1 and move into stage 2, and you can see that top circle there again says that you. Okay, and typically what happens here is the same people that filled your first matrix, that stage 1 matrix, will also follow you and fill your stage 2 matrix, and so on. That doesn't always happen. Sometimes some people move a little bit faster than others. So you may have somebody from your second or third level even, if they bring in a bunch of people and fill their matrix all by themselves really fast, then they could follow you in first, and then your referrals could follow them in. So either way, everybody will always follow a line of sponsorship. Now, when you complete stage 1, there is no payout for stage 1 because we need as much money as possible going into stage 2. Okay, so you can see here the payout is 0. You don't get any re-entries. There's no sponsor match. But again, this is only a 2x2 matrix. It only takes 6 positions to fill it and complete it. You'll move through that pretty quick, I'm sure. All right, completing stage 1 gives you a $320 paid entry into stage 2. So you can see that by not paying out a small amount, we can move a lot more money into stage 2, and therefore increasing the payouts for stage 2 and stage 3 for you. Okay. On completion of the stage 2 matrix, you receive a $100 commission. So at this point, you paid $100 to join. You complete stage 2, you receive a $100 commission. You now at break even. Okay. You also receive a $100 paid re-entry back into stage 1. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, that means that the money that's available to pay out by the time you complete the stage 2 matrix, there's $100 available that we're using to give you another paid entry back into stage 1, just as if you joined again, only this gives you a way to keep on making money from that original $100 purchase. Okay? So that's one re-entry that you get. Also, your sponsor receives a 100% match on your $100 commission. Completing stage 2 gives you a $980 paid entry into stage 3. You can see how that money accumulates and how that really pays off big time. On completion of the stage 3 matrix, you receive a $1,850 commission. Nice big commission there. You also receive another $100 paid re-entry back into stage 1. Now you have 2 re-entries. And your sponsor receives a 100% match on your $1,850 commission. Okay. Now, in summary, your total commissions at this point, just going through one time, not counting any re-entries, and not counting any sponsor matches, is $1,950. And of course, like I said, you have 2 paid re-entries back into stage 1 to do it all over again. As soon as your first 2 referrals complete stage 3, you will earn a 100% match on each of them. That's another $1,950 times 2. Now that $1,950, I'm totaling the stage 2 payout of $100 and the stage 3 payout of $1,850 there. So if you get 2 referrals, when they complete stage 3, because they get paid $1,950, you're also going to get $1,950 times 2 or times whatever number of referrals that you bring into this. Okay, so that would be another $3,900. That $3,900 plus the $1,950 that you made from your own position equals $5,850 earned just by going through this one time, and all for a one-time $100 purchase. Okay, you earn that 100% match on everyone you personally sponsor, including their re-entry positions. Anyone who sponsors more than 2 people is creating spillover for people below them. You will push your referrals and yourself through faster and more times with every additional person sponsored. I hope you enjoyed that How It Works video. Hope to see you on the inside.